English Speaking Practice Series for Beginners. Episode 39.
Let's practice 100 common English questions and answers for daily conversations.
Was it hot yesterday? Was it hot yesterday?
Yes, it was hot. Yes, it was hot.
Where did you go on the weekend? Where did you go on the weekend?
I went to the park. I went to the park.
Were you doing your homework? Were you doing your homework?
Yes, I was studying. Yes, I was studying.
What did you eat for lunch in the cafeteria? What did you eat for lunch in the cafeteria?
I had a sandwich. I had a sandwich.
What were you doing at 3:30 p.m. yesterday? What were you doing at 3:30 p.m. yesterday?
I was napping. I was napping.
Did you visit a farm with your classmates? Did you visit a farm with your classmates?
Yes, we visited a farm. Yes, we visited a farm.
Did you study English last night? Did you study English last night?
Yes, I studied for an hour. Yes, I studied for an hour.
Did you listen to music in the car? Did you listen to music in the car?
Yes, I listened to my favorite songs. Yes, I listened to my favorite songs.
Did you visit a farm with animals? Did you visit a farm with animals?
No, I didn't go to a farm. No, I didn't go to a farm.
What did you draw in your art class? What did you draw in your art class?
I drew a beautiful landscape. I drew a beautiful landscape.
Did you visit a relative over the holidays? Did you visit a relative over the holidays?
No, I didn't visit any relatives. No, I didn't visit any relatives.
If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. Were you writing to your pen pal? Were you writing to your pen pal?
No, I wasn't writing. No, I wasn't writing.
Did you swim in the pool on a hot day? Did you swim in the pool on a hot day?
No, I didn't swim. No, I didn't swim.
Were you waiting for the bus? Were you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I was waiting. Yes, I was waiting.
Did you visit a friend last week? Did you visit a friend last week?
Yes, I visited my friend. Yes, I visited my friend.
Did you have a part-time job on campus? Did you have a part-time job on campus?
No, I didn't have a part-time job. No, I didn't have a part-time job.
Were you singing along to your favorite song? Were you singing along to your favorite song?
No, I wasn't singing. No, I wasn't singing.
What were you wearing to the party? What were you wearing to the party?
I was wearing a dress. I was wearing a dress.
Did you have a class in the science lab? Did you have a class in the science lab?
Yes, I had a class. Yes, I had a class.
Did you find everything you needed at the market? Did you find everything you needed at the market?
Yes, we found everything there. Yes, we found everything there.
Did you clean your room this morning? Did you clean your room this morning?
No, I didn't clean it. No, I didn't clean it.
Where did you buy your school supplies? Where did you buy your school supplies?
I bought them at the stationery store. I bought them at the stationery store.
What did you have for lunch yesterday? What did you have for lunch yesterday?
I had a sandwich. I had a sandwich.
What time did you leave the college library? What time did you leave the college library?
I left at 3:30 p.m. I left at 3:30 p.m.
Did you plant flowers in your garden? Did you plant flowers in your garden?
Yes, I planted roses. Yes, I planted roses.
Did you help your parents with chores? Did you help your parents with chores?
Yes, I helped with the dishes. Yes, I helped with the dishes.
Where did you meet your best friend? Where did you meet your best friend?
I met them at school. I met them at school.
Did you watch a soccer game on TV? Did you watch a soccer game on TV?
No, I didn't watch any games. No, I didn't watch any games.
What did you study for your school exam? What did you study for your school exam?
I studied math. I studied math.
Did you take a cooking class? Did you take a cooking class?
Yes, I learned to cook. Yes, I learned to cook.
What did you drink with dinner last night? What did you drink with dinner last night?
I had water. I had water.
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I watched TV. I watched TV.
Were you showering when the phone rang? Were you showering when the phone rang?
Yes, I was showering. Yes, I was showering.
Did you attend a school event last year? Did you attend a school event last year?
Yes, I attended a school event. Yes, I attended a school event.
Where did you see a rainbow? Where did you see a rainbow?
I saw it after the rain. I saw it after the rain.
What were they eating last night? What were they eating last night?
They were having pizza. They were having pizza.
What were you drinking at the party? What were you drinking at the party?
I was sipping soda. I was sipping soda.
Where did you have lunch at school yesterday? Where did you have lunch at school yesterday?
I had lunch in the cafeteria. I had lunch in the cafeteria.
Did you water the plants in your garden? Did you water the plants in your garden?
No, I forgot to water them. No, I forgot to water them.
Where did you go camping with friends? Where did you go camping with friends?
We went to the mountains. We went to the mountains.
Were you dancing at the party? Were you dancing at the party?
Yes, I was dancing. Yes, I was dancing.
How did you arrive when you came back? How did you arrive when you came back?
We came back by bus. We came back by bus.
What were you doing when the lights went out? What were you doing when the lights went out?
I was watching TV. I was watching TV.
Were you playing with your dog? Were you playing with your dog?
Yes, I was playing. Yes, I was playing.
Were you biking when it got dark? Were you biking when it got dark?
Yes, I was biking. Yes, I was biking.
Were you gardening? Were you gardening?
Yes, I was gardening. Yes, I was gardening.
What did you play at the playground? What did you play at the playground?
I played on the swings. I played on the swings.
What did you eat for breakfast today? What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had cereal. I had cereal.
What were you wearing to the meeting? What were you wearing to the meeting?
I was wearing a suit. I was wearing a suit.